So I ordered one of these from Murat-RC. It's a light kit for the Kraton 8S EXB. So let's check what's in the box. Very well packaged. I haven't opened it yet, only got the tape here. This is the rear light. It's 3D printed and it looks awesome made. It's an extension cord and the front light. Some screws, a nice sticker and zip ties. Very well 3D printed, very nice finish. So the front light goes on the bumper here. In order to get the zip ties in there, you have to loosen the bumper, put the zip ties back in and then tighten the bumper again. So this looks killer. So on the rear he provides 4 longer screws to mount this thing over here. So I think the easiest way to mount this thing is to remove the wing. So now removing the 4 outer screws and mount it up with the longer screws that are provided. So here it is, how I did the cable management. I did it on the lower bar and like this to go in the receiver. Also here on the lower bar and over there. My thoughts about the light kit. It's still working, but the zip ties in front, they broke after a hard landing. Maybe it's my fault with the zip ties, I don't know, but I'm going to put another zip tie on there. Kit is perfect, it works very nice. You can see it good in the air and everything, so I like it. So would I buy it again? Yes, why not? It's a nice addition to the car. Now zip tie this again and then we're back in business. If you like this content, please like and subscribe and see you later. Bye.